Meet Sarah. She owns a small business and just delivered $20,000 worth of goods. She sends an invoice and now she waits. How long? 60 days, 90 days, sometimes even more, just to get paid. Her cash is locked. She can't pay her suppliers. She can't pay her workers. She can't grow. This is the reality for millions of businesses trapped in this real world asset market. The problem isn't just slow, it's expensive, fraud prone, and completely illiquid. Real world assets can't move at the speed of crypto because verification that verifies is stuck in Web 2. Araya fixes this. We are the world's first AI powered RWA platform that verifies documents in seconds, not weeks. It's simple. The user uploads the invoice, AI analyzes the progress, we get the results, the NFT mints on the mantle, it's listed on the marketplace, it can be fractionalized, and the yield is generated. You can upload any document, and our Grok Llama 3.3 AI verifies it instantly. We extract data, scan QR codes, check authenticity markers, and flat fraud. Then we mint the verified NFT on Mantle in 3 seconds for 1 cent. Sarah can now sell that invoice today and get cash immediately and keep her business running. But we didn't stop at tokenization. As you can see right here, we have two options. We can also generate a fractionalized NFT, which can be sold in parts. ARIA NFTs generate yield right here. Invoice interest, rental income, supply chain fees, all distributed automatically to token holders. This is a DeFi that meets real world cash flow. We chose Mantle because it's the only chain where RWA tokenization is economically viable at this scale. Ethereum costs some 10, 20, 30, $50 per mint. Mantle costs a penny. Ethereum takes 12 minutes to confirm. Mantle takes 3 to 4 seconds. For real world assets that need fast, cheap, high volume transactions, there is no other choice. Mantle's modular design, separating execution, consensus, and data availability, gives us the performance of a centralized database with the security of Ethereum. This is what enterprise RWA needs. The RWA market is already billions of dollars, and it is projected to hit a trillion by 2030. Invoices, real estate, commodities, supply chain, every physical asset will be eventually be tokenized. The question is which platform will power this transformation? Araya is the only end-to-end solution. We handle verification, tokenization, compliance, yield distribution, and liquidity all in one protocol. So this is also not our first rodeo. I've already won 4 major hackathons, including first place out of 2,500 teams. I have also entered at India's Prime Minister's office doing cybersecurity research. So I know how to ship production grade code under pressure with security. Raya is live today. We are asking for support to scale this to mainnet and onboard the first wave of enterprises. Help us unlock this billion-dollar industry into liquidity. Help us bring real world assets to Mantle. Try Araya now and let's make history together.